Good morning. This is Greg Hernandez from Nasdaq's Market Intelligence Desk with today's look at the markets for Wednesday, September 22nd. Futures are pointing modestly lower this morning, and European markets are mostly lower in midday trading. Now, out of Europe, Portugal sold about $1 billion in government debt. The reception there was mixed, with the sovereign credit default swaps going up today. Regarding Portuguese state debt. So that indicates that market participants are a little bit nervous about the Portuguese debt situation. Now, regarding the European debt crisis, Spain's Prime Minister Zapatero indicated that the crisis was over, but the governments still had a lot of work to do. Now, central to investor sentiment here in the United States are statements from software maker Adobe. They make the readers that are in so many of our computers. And the company beat earnings forecast after Tuesday's close, but its forecast for the present quarter disappointed some analysts. So again, that perhaps weighing on the technology sector today, Wednesday, here in New York. Also in earnings, General Mills had earnings rising 12%, and the earnings were ahead of analysts' forecasts. So that is a positive. Now, a lot of those consumer staple companies have had hiccups in the past year with price pressures on the one hand and rising input costs on the other. So positive earnings out of General Mills. Now, tomorrow, Thursday, we're going to see data on existing home sales, on the leading economic indicators, and on Friday, data on new home sales. That's been all. This is Greg Hernandez with Nasdaq's Market Intelligence Desk.